Hi, Shimmy Shaker. Welcome to day 9 of our 30-day dancing challenge. Every day for the next 30 days, I'm teaching you a new combination, building to a beautiful choreography to finish the year. So it's already day 9. If you haven't seen days 1 to 8, please check them out. But if you want to just learn the combination for the combination itself, you're welcome to watch from wherever part you like. Okay, so today we are getting into a little feet shimmy, but bringing it into some nice floor patterns. So if you haven't done your feet shimmy before, we start with our feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up. You can have your hands here. For in the choreography, they're going to be here, or you can have them wherever you like, whatever feels good for you. We're coming up onto our toes and then lifting one foot, then the other. So with our knee shimmy, we're bending our knees, one then the other. But with our feet shimmy, we're using our feet to get that shake, going really, really fast. Yeah, that's it. Good, good, good. So you want everything from here to wobble as you do your feet shimmy, but trying to keep your posture up nice and tall. That's it. So for our combination today, we are traveling our feet shimmy to the right, to the left, and then doing a turn similar to the turn we did in yesterday's combination. So let's start off nice and strong. Coming over to the side. You can also push your hands to the side if you like. I like to do this because it adds a little bit momentum. And then other side. And then coming into a 3-step turn. Step, 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 step. Let's do that turn again. Step, 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 step. Good. If it feels okay for you, you can bring that back arm around. Step, 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 step. Nice work. Okay, let's bring it together nice and slow in the combination. 5, 6, 7, 8. Feet shimmy, around. Other way. Feet shimmy, around. That's it. Again. Feet shimmy, around. One more. Feet shimmy, around, and release. So just remember, when you're doing the feet shimmy and the turn, if you're going in this direction, then your turn is going to continue in that direction. If you're going this direction, then your turn is going to continue in that direction. Then to finish off the little combination, we're just going to come into a basic shimmy. So all together, going this way first, we've got feet shimmy, turn, and then little shimmy on the spot. Let's try the other way. Feet shimmy, and turn, and shimmy up. As well, if you are doing this combination for your own choreography or your own performance, you can choose the direction that you're going for that final shimmy. So if your audience is over here, you can do it this way. If your audience is over here, this way. And that final shimmy, it's just our usual knee shimmy where we're bending one knee, then the other. Good job. Okay, let's run it through side to side, nice and slow. I'll do it with you. 5, 6, 7, 8. Feet shimmy, around, and shimmy up. Other way. Feet shimmy, around, and shimmy up. Again. Feet shimmy, around, and shimmy up. Other way. Feet shimmy, around, and shimmy up. Nice work. I hope you enjoyed that combination. Remember, you can use it for whatever you like, but we will also be putting it into the choreography at the end of the week, where we bring all these moves to the next section or the next part that we're doing all together, and you can play with the music. So make sure you keep watching the videos so that you can bring it together with me then. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.